It using their muscle power. Battlefields would vibrate with the sound of drums. The brave hearts would bellow, and the sky reverberated with the shouts of the runbuckers. In 1394 AD, the power of the Pariharas was fading. Subedar Zafar Khan of Gujarat had taken Mandor and Nagaur under his control due to the weak Sultanate of Delhi. My boundaries were taken over by Turks instead of Parihars. Aba Khan, the Hakim of Zafar Khan, was the commander of Mandor fort, who used to display his cruelty every day. The victim farmers approached for help to the head of Inda Parihar of Mandor, Veer Rao Hema Gehlot.
Rao Hemaji, these Turks collect arbitrary rent from us. Every day they steal our cows and now ask for carts laden with hay for their horses. We will be ruined if this continues to happen.
So arrogant of his power that he is trying it on the poor farmers? I swear on Bairoji, Eba Khan will no longer be alive to commit any more atrocities.
To fight the mighty enemy, a plan was made to attack using force and intelligence. Several hundred carts of grass were prepared, and the warriors hid themselves with weapons under the grass. As soon as the carts reached inside the fort, the Kshatriyas raised slogans. Turks did not even get a chance to recover from this sudden attack. When the majestic swords of brave Hema Gehlot, Samar Shur Rao Chunda Rathore, and the heroes of Marwar waved, the heads of the enemies were piled up. In memory of this victory, Rao Mahotsav is still celebrated in Mandor. Every year, on the second day of Holi, the fearless, courageous Hema Gehlot and all the brave are remembered. Marched towards Marwar, but Judah continued to follow him. He was the uncle of Rana Kumbha and the old enemy of Marwar. The vast army of Mewar was after Jodha's life, and the young Jodha was fighting them along with his 700 loyal fighters after fighting against all odds. When Jodha reached Mandor, he was left with only 7 soldiers, but Jodha reached here too.
Search every corner of Mandor fort. Ranmal had killed my brother Raghavdev. I will destroy his entire family and descendants.
Huzur, Jodha has run towards Janglu region. If you order, we will chase him.
Let it be. He will die wandering in the sand dunes. You send a message to Rana Kumbha. Now, we will rule Mandor.
After the ruthless murder of his father and humiliation of losing the kingdom, Judah was wandering in pain with a heavy heart. The enemy was in ambush, but the fighting Judah did not lose hope and faith. After 50 when a huge crowd gathers here on Veerpuri and Nag Panchami, then even today, the relationship comes alive. Seeing the love and reverence in their eyes, their heart is filled with emotion. The ties of centuries are unbreakable even today. I have been destroyed by the splendor